Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get into service mode for your Rivian, so that tutorial is coming up. So if you want to get into service mode for whatever reason, maybe you want to look around, you can. I would not do this unless you know what you're doing, because there's a lot of things in there you probably could mess up that you might not be able to fix. But there are a couple of things in there that are nice to look at for just the everyday person if you want to do that. So how you get into service mode is you want to go to your settings icon. You don't see it here at the bottom. You want to swipe up. So swipe up here. Settings icon is here. Go to vehicle. Then you want to go to service. You scroll down, there's a service mode. So hit that. You'll see this yellow bar at the top come up. What you want to do is hit that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what you want to do is swipe up from the bottom again. Now you're going to have this special ride icon. So you want to hit that. You'll see this Thomas Edison quote, and you want to hit the screen 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Passcode will come up. The passcode right now is 33748. So it could change. I'll put that in the description if it does, but 33748. And now we're in service mode. We know that because it says service mode here at the top. So first screen, diagnostics. There's red and green. I don't really know what all these mean at all. So I'm not going to touch any of this, but I'm assuming green is probably good. Red, maybe there's something that's not working right. Car is working fine, so I'm not going to worry about it, but that's what this is. We go to dashboard, you've got propulsion, which I don't really know what this is. Vehicle speed, acceleration, position. Okay, so it's looking at, sensors in the car that are looking at certain things. High voltage is going to be your big battery management system, HV battery state of charge, things like that. Body, it looks like there's adjustments for the body panels maybe, I'm not really sure. Oh yeah, so left door ajar, so basically it's going to tell you if my driver door is slightly open or something, but it says it's closed, so got that. This is kind of useful, I think, for the everyday person. Low voltage, which is going to be your 12-volt battery. Right now it says mine is running at 14.3 volts, which is fine. Obviously if it's down at 4 or 5 volts, maybe you've got a problem, so that might be something you want to look at or have the service center take a look at. And then thermal is going to be also part of your high voltage battery, but battery coolant inlet. So basically it's like the cooling part of the high voltage battery. So it's got readings and things like that, which are good. Service, another screen of just stuff I'm not really sure. Vehicle needs to be in park, tells you if you want to reset things or whatever. So honestly, I wouldn't touch this unless you know what you're doing. Tools, vehicle tool, vehicle authorization. I have no idea what this is either, so I wouldn't touch this unless you know what you're doing. But calibrations are kind of nice. This is something that I think the everyday person could use. So if we open this up here, front left, front right, window calibration. And so basically, for me, this could be useful because I crack the windows open in the garage just to let air in. And then also it's easier to close the doors when you have that little gap. So because of that, my window calibration, particularly on my front passenger side sometimes doesn't really, the window won't close all the way. So you can do the thing on the door where you hold the button for 5 seconds, push it down, hold it for 5 seconds. If that doesn't work for whatever reason, then you could go in here and fix it this way. So this might be an easy way to avoid going to the service center altogether. So something you could kind of useful for the everyday person if you want to do that. There's all the other calibrations for the windows and the seats and things if you want to reset things. So that's in here. And so that's basically all there is in service mode. I kind of just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on what's in here. Obviously service mode at the top, so you know you're in service mode. And then to get out of service mode, there's a button here, turn off service mode. So hit that. You want to turn off service mode? Yes. So just hit yes. It turns it off. And then all you need to do is just go back to any of your other icons. So we go back to where the drive modes are. That's basically it. So now I'm out of service mode and you can just use the car as normal. So hope that tutorial is helpful. If you have any questions, let me know below, and thanks for watching.